Education in Indonesia. Indonesia is a beautiful island country that settles between the Pacific Ocean and the Indian Ocean. Lying along the equator, the country experiences no extreme off-season in both winters and summers, and is either wet between October and April, or dry between May and September. Indonesia comprises of no territory in the mainland Asia, but Malaysia, the closest mainland country, and Malay Peninsula claim on the mainland compulsory education in Indonesia. The compulsory Indonesia education consists of 9 years, and all Indonesian citizens must undergo 6 years on the elementary level and 3 years at the secondary level. The Islamic school does not come under this and are managed by the Ministry of Religious Affairs. Academic year in Indonesia. The school has 438 weeks on an average for the primary and secondary level. The duration of the class for the primary level is 30 minutes in grade 1 and grade 2, 40 minute duration for grade 3 to grade 6, and 45-minute duration for the junior secondary school. The classroom language of instruction in Indonesia is provided in the National Bahasa Indonesia language. Education system in Indonesia. Primary education. The primary education in Indonesia follows right after the preschool that may start in a child 3rd year. Most of the elementary schools in Indonesia are government-run, and some schools offer programs that are accredited and comprise the past 5 years. The Islamic education system also operates in parallel to this system of education. Middle education in Indonesia. The middle education is to work as a bridge between the middle phase of the elementary education followed by the senior high school, which is more challenging. This system of education also guides the educator to determine of possible future direction for their students. The Islamic middle education system continues to private and alternative. Secondary education. The secondary education has two different kinds providing two different streams of education. One is for those who intend to go for further studies in university, and the other type is for those who want to find a job right after high school. Vocational education. The vocational training for students in Indonesia are offered by the private training college with the initiative by the donor countries. Tertiary education. The tertiary education in Indonesia comprises of 4 different kinds of, namely academic, polytechnic, university, and institute. Some are privately funded, some are state-controlled, and some are affiliated to religious organization. Structure of education system in Indonesia. The education system in Indonesia comprises the primary, middle, secondary, vocational, and tertiary education. The compulsory education is for 9 years and hence everyone must attend 6 years of elementary level and 3 years of secondary education. There are also many Islamic schools in Indonesia which don't come under this and are managed by the Ministry of Religious Affairs. Indonesia. Now about the structure of education system in Indonesia. Pre-Hackher Education Act 7 to 50 years. School system structure. First text school type elementary, length 6 years, age 7 to 12. Second text school type junior secondary, length 3 years, age 13 to 15. Upper secondary education, school type general senior secondary, length 3 years, age 16 to 18. The certificate or diploma that is awarded to the successful candidate. Certificate for the successful completing upper secondary school. Vocational secondary school type the vocational senior secondary education, length 3 years, age 16 to 18. School education. The Indonesia compulsory education is for 9 years, which includes 6 years of elementary education and 3 years of secondary education. The secondary education has the junior level, also known as SMTP, sekolah menengah tingkat pertama, the senior level, also known as SMTA, sekolah menengah tingkat atas, and the technical or vocational education. The junior secondary education school comprises of 3 years and also is a part of basic school education program having 6 years primary school education. Senior secondary education has 3 years and it has different form of secondary education school that include vocational, Islamic, and general. Further, senior secondary education has 3 sessions, and in the senior secondary school each year, the student get to choose between language, natural science, and social science. The graduates from the senior secondary education school should get the senior level certificate or sekolah menengah atas, which along with an entrance exam is important to attain for further pursuing their higher education. Higher education. Indonesia is home to different types of higher educational institutions like university, public and also private institutes for teachers training, Islamic institute, private and public offering professional and academic university level of education, and polytechnic. Language Indonesian. Different state of studies, the non-university level, the non-university level education such as vocational or higher technical education is given by the academy. The third single faculty, academic conferring diploma, and the polytechnic that also confer diplomas. University level studies. The university level studies are divided into 3 stacks. First stack, university level, sarjana S1. The university level first stack in sarjana, strata 1, which is awarded to a student after successful completing of full-time 4-year study at a school, university or institute. The student must secure a total of 145 credit marks to graduate. For subjects less than dentistry, medicine, pharmacy, engineering, and veterinary science. Additional 2 to 6 semesters are added. The degree certificate which are awarded to the student bear the sarjana inscription and then the name of the subject. Second stage, university level, magister S2. The magister strata 2 is the second stage of the university level that is awarded to all successful students after complete another 2 years of study and research, somewhere between 36 to 50 credit above stage 1 are essential for a student to graduate in the second stage of the university level. Third stage, university level, doctor S3. The third stage, which is also known as doctor strata 3, comprises another 2 to 4 after the second stage atau magister.